everyone. Brian here. Uh, Coming to you on this channel, In Like Flynn. What this channel is going to be about is simply the journey that I'm going on, and that journey is basically, well, trying to repair my health, trying to repair my finances. As of right now, I'm about 10K debt. I've been working on a project for about a year now, me and my wife. Uh, it's kind of step one and one career choice. They say don't put all your eggs in one basket. So this is egg one. So step one. I have some other career choices I want to do, and I want to share that with you. Uh, this might be something that you'll find value by doing the career yourself, seeing the things that worked for me, the things that didn't work for me. Like I said today, as of today, I'm broke. I'm just about to launch my first product on Amazon, um, and really the second part of this channel is health wise as well. Health wise, well, I'm here. I'm somewhat healthy. I did just get back from the doctor. I've been going for a couple of years now to try and get my cholesterol lower. Unfortunately, I've been doing very bad at that. Um, but I've got a plan to simply make my health better by going on diets, doing some exercising, kind of alternative medicine, and I want to share that with you. And you know, maybe it's for you, maybe it's not for you. I want to share what worked for me, what didn't work for me. I've actually got a picture of me. I'm overweight. Like I said, high cholesterol, other issues, and I want to try and fix that. And share that with you. Maybe you get some value out of it. Maybe you get some knowledge out of it. Um, but yeah, it kind of all starts here. This is video one of In Like Flynn, and this is my journey. I welcome you to join it with me, and I'll either one day be successful or it's gonna kind of be like a train crash, and but it should be interesting, and well, I invite you on this. So stay tuned for some further content, whether it be a career choice. When I mean career choice, whether it's selling on Amazon, uh, how I'm doing that, how maybe you can do that, or anything, really anything that's out there right now. I'd like to base everything basically off of internet sales, internet whatever. That's the future after all. Um, and again, I'm actually going to go on a diet. Uh, it's kind of an alternative medicine. I'll get more into that later with separate videos. Um, that's about it. Stay tuned for more content. Uh, Anything interesting, I'll have it in the link below. Subscribe. You know the routine. And I'll catch you later on In Like Flynn.